Alright, let's be honest for a second. How many times have you bought those beautiful fresh herbs or salad greens from the grocery store, only for them to turn into a sad, slimy mess in your fridge 2 days later? Or maybe you've tried growing your own, only to end up with a dead plant and a kitchen counter full of dirt. It's frustrating, right? You want that fresh taste, that healthy convenience, but gardening can be a real hassle, and cheap alternatives just don't work. Well, this thing here? This is a total game changer. Forget those fiddly little kits that promise the world and deliver disappointment, leaving you with dried up plants, or worse, a moldy mess. This isn't one of those. This is the Click and Grow Smart Garden 9, and it's like having a personal, effortless farmer right in your kitchen. It grows your favorite culinary herbs, crisp salad greens, and even mini tomatoes and strawberries year-round, no matter what the weather's doing outside. The secret is these brilliant, energy-efficient LED grow lights that give your plants exactly what they need all the time. What I absolutely love about it is how truly smart the smart soil pods are. You're not dealing with noisy pumps, messy nutrient solutions, or constantly checking pH levels, like with traditional hydroponics. This system is completely silent, and the soil pods do all the heavy lifting, releasing nutrients, regulating oxygen and humidity. You just pop in the pre-seeded pods. They've got everything from basil and oregano to wild strawberries. Fill the water reservoir, plunk it in, and that's literally it. You get pure, clean food with non-GMO seeds, no pesticides, no herbicides, grown right on your kitchen counter. No sitting in a warehouse, no long transport, just fresh vitamin-rich goodness whenever you want it. It even comes with basil, lettuce, and mini tomato pods to get you started immediately. I've even linked the exact model I use down in the description, so you don't have to scroll through a million options trying to find the good one. Honestly, when you compare the convenience, the quality of the food, and the sheer joy of having a thriving garden with zero fuss, it absolutely justifies the investment. Think about how much you spend on fresh produce that often goes bad before you use it all. This pays for itself in freshness, convenience, and peace of mind, delivering vibrant, healthy greens and herbs to your table every single day. If you want to check it out, I have left a link for you below.